Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode number 23. And now that we are on episode 23, it has been a journey of sorts, right?
Yeah.
I mean, 23 episodes, that much amount of time,
Yes.
trying to crack the YouTube algorithm,
Uh.
understanding what all goes behind the scenes. It has been pretty taxing.
Up and down.
Yes, there
Yeah.
have been a lot of ups and downs. Of course, because you're trying to plug into the matrix.
Yes.
You know, we are that generation who's like,
The
we don't
installation.
know which chord,
Yeah,
you know,
goes where.
in
And
which
sparks
port.
are flying every time you connect something.
Yeah, that is what it feels like when you're trying to do it, and it takes a toll, man, on you know your mental health. I mean, this term, mental health.
Yeah, it's our generation's motto, no?
It sounds so new, no? Because it almost sounds like we have come up with a potential minefield. And now we are shouting at everyone. Before this, people just walked over the minefield. You
Yeah.
know, nobody
हाँ.
took into account how you
Yeah, ये भी
feel.
होता है. हाँ.
You know, okay, how you're trying to process this thing called life. Because it's been given to you, dude.
Yeah.
You're suddenly...
You were told deal with it.
Huh.
And that was it.
No, like, because this experience, everybody ends up experiencing in a different way, bro.
True.
Like, we now trip on our experience, like trying to, you know, stand-up comedians, trying to get spots, write material,
True.
as writers, get more shows done, all of that. We are focusing on those things. And that is its own trip. Like, that has so many different...
Yeah, and that is just the professional part. Then there
And-
is ghar, then there is
Yes.
relationships and all
Yes,
of that stuff.
and
yeah.
all of those facets are now opening up to the idea of how it is attached to your mental health.
You, your mind, where your childhood also comes in, where your future thing also comes in, how you imagine yourself also comes in.
Like suddenly you're watching, supposedly, like imagine it's like when you start discussing mental health now,
Huh.
it's I think the same feeling that you get when you start understanding Tenet. You know that
Okay.
movie Tenet. It's so confusing, but
Huh.
then you start understanding like, oh, okay, this is how, you know, the dots.
Huh.
And oh, this is that guy. Oh, all right, it's going back in time.
Yeah, it's like you're solving a brain teaser.
Yes, because
Literally.
whenever it comes to the idea of mental health, you're time traveling in your head. You are, right? Even when you're getting therapy.
Just try and remember 9 years old what happened to you. Try and
Exactly.
remember 15 mein kya hua tha.
Yeah, you're trying to time travel in your head. You're trying to understand and make sense of, oh, you know what? I never shared my dabba because blah, blah, blah. And maybe that is why I have intimacy issues.
Yes.
Who knows?
I was not sharing dabba, now I can't share anything else.
Yeah. Now I can't share my house.
लोग मेरा मैगी चुराता था. So now whenever I cook Maggie, I can't feed it to another person.
No, now I have trust issues with my family, dude.
I always feel like they have taken some Maggie from the handy.
Bunty from 6th standard is now affecting
Scarred
my
me.
relationship with my child who's in 6th standard. Now, whenever my 6th standard boy asks for Maggie, I remember Bunty.
Yeah. And I become a bunty to him.
Yeah. It's too difficult, man. It's not easy. The layers of it's you're almost trying to deconstruct a Michelin star recipe. You know, this man has taken in like 30 years
To perfect something.
and it's like the therapist, you know, he's taken years to understand and think about and read about Freud and all the other people who
all
try
the
to-
psychoanalyst people, and they'll be like, this is how people behave. Okay, and you're not special for thinking like that. You're not alone. Thank God you're not special, because that's why we have solutions.
And it's so recent,
Huh.
this thought, because you're talking about Freud and you're talking about it's
Yeah,
probably
it's
like
like 1900s. no?
yeah, 1950s, you
Yeah.
can say it started gaining some momentum.
And that was the time when it was like in its infancy, where they didn't know exactly.
There
And
was
now the data has come
the
in.
huge amount of taboo
Huh.
that existed around. Like when I think about it, because it's like,
Because it was always mental health, and the next step was always shock.
yeah, that was there for a long time.
Straight away shock.
Straight away electrocution.
Yeah.
Like that would be the fix. Lobotomy.
Yes.
If
Stop. Like hard reset, dude.
like, how many people who had, now that we know this schizophrenia, this bipolar disorder, you know, there are these terms to describe all of these mental ailments.
Huh.
At that point of time, people just thought of the brain as a reset. Like electrocution was
Huh.
like the hard reset, factory
Yeah.
reset.
Yes.
That is what you tried to do to human
You
beings.
were trying to see if you can start it again.
How you take a phone
Yeah.
and then somebody sir sab photo वगैरह सब गया,
Like you-
factory reset करना, hard reset करना
Like it
पड़ेगा
would
sir.
be like, you know, how do you want it? Like, see, 5 years ago, no problem was there. Okay, then 5 amperes of current.
Yeah. 1 year is equal to 1 ampere.
ampere. Tarr, and you start and he's back.
Oh my god. And then you would be so afraid of your feelings because that would be the
Yeah,
reaction
you
of
can't
the
tell anybody that I'm feeling a little crazy. I'm
You
feeling
can't.
They'll just be like, "हाँ तू पागल हो गया." Like the whole thing of demon है इसमें. You know, like
Any
there is
sort of
no
explanation.
bhoot and whatnot.
any sort of explanation, you just have to look at it in terms of relativity to time.
हाँ
Because all of those explanations
हाँ.
existed for a long amount of time.
Yeah, because there's no one researching.
Different cultures
हाँ.
approached epilepsy as a thing where you were possessed.
Hmm.
Different cultures,
Huh.
not just one.
Some of them looked at it as a positive thing also. Na? This person getting a prophecy or something. ऐसा भी था ना?
Yeah.
That
yeah.
was there and getting
That's-
possessed
that
by a
is,
demon.
I must say, great opportunism.
Yeah.
When you see somebody experiencing, epileptic attack or something, and you're like, you know what, I know this story.
Yeah.
I have seen this. Bro, somebody's poor fellow is suffering, poor person
He'll
is.
probably bite his tongue.
Yeah. And
अरे
you,
उसके मुंह से खून आया, कुछ तो होने वाला है यहाँ पे.
somebody is convulsing, experiencing spasms, and you still want the spotlight on you. What sort of a person are you, man? There's a legit human body. Oh my god, I'm not in control. Neurons are misfiring in my head. And this guy is still like, look at me. Let me earn something out of this.
Let me see how this is your story, everyone's.
Oh
Then let
my
me show.
god. And now it is a weird you can almost see the pendulum. It's like a pendulum shift. Nobody paid attention to it. Then there were stories written around
हाँ.
everybody's
Shining.
mental health. Not just those are movies. Yes, those are modern era, you can say movies. But I'm speaking about generally in literature also. You saw characters who were experiencing turmoil of some sort,
हाँ.
and that was their representation of mental health. Like Macbeth.
हाँ.
Fellow
Guilt
talking,
and all, yeah.
hallucination, killed somebody. You're trying to
Yeah, even
through a
Shakespeare had-
story. Through a story, it's okay to discuss mental health.
Hmm.
It's such a thing.
अरे उसके साथ हुआ था मेरे को.
हाँ.
Yeah, because that is gossip, no? Then
Gossip.
उसका बेटी के साथ उसका बेटे के साथ
हाँ.
ऐसा हुआ फिर वो गया.
Through a story, you're fine with discussing mental health as a people. You're just not using those terms. You are talking about jealousy. You're talking about ambition. You're talking about somebody doing whatever, to fulfill that ambition.
हाँ.
That all is mental health issues only,
Yeah.
bro. That's not normal.
Like think about it, no? Where every king, after a certain point, everyone starts saying वो पागल था.
हाँ.
Because that is it.
Again, that the thing about Pagal Raja is such a universal thing.
Yeah.
That is how you realize power is so easily going to corrupt you.
Huh.
It's going to corrupt the fuck out of you because every culture
Yeah.
had a story of a king who went mad.
हाँ, was
Too
crazy.
much.
कुछ ना कुछ खून पीना चालू किया लोगों का, मार डालता था ऐसे ही, whim पे मार डाल. If you can just tell people go kill this person, of course there's nothing to stop you.
You could, as a king, sneeze
हाँ.
and then just look at somebody who smirked
हाँ.
and then say, I sneezed because of him. Kill him.
And kill him, yeah.
You can
To stop
say it.
future sneezes.
Yeah. And if you sneeze again, guess what? There are other people in the court.
Yeah. He passed it to someone else.
Yeah.
There is a sneeze demon in the court.
All of those things were spoken about. And we never sort of pay a lot of attention to it. But a huge chunk of our life, we live in our heads.
Yeah. You are, many of these, I think Bukowski, all these like very introspective writers have all
Yeah.
said, chill with yourself first. Like Oscar
Yeah.
Wilde was, chill with yourself, because if you're
Yeah.
not comfortable with yourself, you can't be comfortable with
Yeah.
anyone else.
But that's such a difficult thing to accomplish,
Uh,
Because you think you will be good company for yourself,
Yeah.
but
No.
there is that other voice also, which
No, you realize there's more than one sometimes.
yeah,
There's
there
more
are.
than one.
Every person, and that's what I trip on sometimes.
Huh.
Whenever now I'm traveling in public transport or I'm
Yeah.
interacting with strangers,
Huh.
I always try to make out the other voices.
हाँ,
You know?
in their head.
Like ये गुड मॉर्निंग वाला वॉइस में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है मेरे को.
नहीं.
अंदर कौन क्या बोल रहा है उस पे इंटरेस्ट है.
हाँ, yeah. Like you realize, oh, he just changed his decision just now.
Yeah.
Someone else sat in the driver's
Yeah.
seat just now.
Just now.
I saw the light change in his eyes.
And
something
sometimes you
happened.
see that change happen when some other person comes in also.
Oh, हाँ, that
Like-
A and B का relationship ऐसा है, and then C comes in suddenly
Yeah.
and A changes.
And A is somehow responding to C ka energy.
हाँ, yeah.
And A gets more in his own head. And now he's thinking like what C must be thinking.
हाँ. वो वाला
That
zone
sort
में
of
चला
nonsense happens as well, where you are having like dual conversations
जाता है. हाँ.
sometimes.
Like okay, तुम लोग दोनों के लिए अच्छा ठीक है, ये खट्टा तेरे लिए, मीठा तेरे लिए. Simple.
It's like that tape which
हाँ.
played, you could play 2 cassettes
हाँ.
in it.
वही
It's
हो
like
रहा है.
that.
Yeah. This poor fellow is juggling 2 balls.
Oh, and
2-3 balls
a couple of people have understood the importance of it. I mean, I must say, as far as mental health is concerned, on every level, it's so universal that no matter which level are you at, the grass is always greener sort of thing. We think people with money have it sorted and whatnot.
No.
No matter what level you are at,
हाँ.
it is going to be fucked.
हाँ. Because again,
In its own way.
you may have a mansion, but everybody has pretty much the same size of the brain. Like,
Yeah.
Somehow the inside, you can always make a smaller space for yourself
Yeah.
inside.
And there's ways that you can get in control of your impulses and learn introspect more. But that journey, it's difficult, man, and a lot of cultures still haven't sort of accepted it completely.
Huh.
Like one country which shocks me, like which I'm like always surprised by, is the country of Argentina,
हाँ.
because there you have
Ayahuasca.
no, ayahuasca to ayahuasca to hai. Yes, you have other things which help accelerate the process of introspection. I've heard. I don't know, but
It's okay to hear.
Argentina. No, it's not sometimes. Sometimes it's not okay to hear also. It's not okay to say. It's not okay to hear. Many things. But Argentina has a free therapy thing sorted
model.
by the government.
Oh.
Like you can go to a therapist and you can get therapy.
Yeah, but like I'm really wondering. I hope the therapist is not just the typical South American person. Hey, strong रहने का. Like here's a machete.
Yeah, and just like for everything, cocaine solves everything, my friend. Just
go there. But that's good, dude, if they have that. But like insurance companies don't give you mental health ka. Ye therapy
No.
वगैरह is not covered
it's
at
not
all.
covered. It's not covered.
They're like no. This we can't cover. इसका मालूम नहीं कितना time तक payment देना पड़ेगा.
Insurance is fine with it as long as it's a black and white scene.
हाँ.
Even with your body.
Hmm.
An insurance company looks at it like a car and mechanic.
Yeah.
Is it fixable? Okay, there's a thing. There's a artery. Okay, we can put in a stent. That's it. All right, fine. We'll pay 70% of it. Cool. But if it's, I don't know if I have the will to live, man. Oh, okay,
sorry,
buddy. Sorry, I
sorry,
don't.
sorry.
Not involved in that.
Here we are not with
Not
you.
interested. Not involved. You'll keep on living. Just pay our premium. We'll talk when you get diabetes.
Yes.
Okay, that is when we'll talk. Call me when that happens.
If you say I don't have the will to live, oh great, that means he won't go to the hospital when he has a heart attack. We have nothing to worry about.
Yeah, you mentioned you got jaundice, but you're going to a psychiatrist. Like, yeah, it is a different sort of. I feel yellow. My skin is not
On
turning
the
yellow.
inside.
I feel yellow. See, insurance, that is what it is, right? An insurance thing is what it is. It's basically you're trying to gamble. All right, you're trying to play the odds. All right, and it plays on fear.
Yeah.
Like, be afraid, dude. Life is very fragile.
Huh.
You know, they all show that. All the life insurance ads, and anything can happen at any time.
Yeah.
You don't know when, you know, there's suddenly a car braking.
They'll just give you statistics of how everything in your house can kill you.
I wouldn't even be surprised if I see an advertisement,
Huh.
you know, where there is a guy just sitting drinking tea, okay, in the balcony of his house, and then he hears a car brake. And he feels like a Dachak. And
That
then
could be you.
No, yeah. You want to be impervious to the Dachak? Buy our insurance. And the next day you show there's a breaking ka awaj again, but this fellow is just drinking tea. Why? Because I have life insurance. Even if I die, everything is sorted. They try to show it like that. No, I'm still afraid of death. I'm still afraid of not existing. That doesn't take care of it. It's not like a video game.
I'm not happy कि वो लोग खाते रहेंगे मेरे बाद.
And the insurance companies are very clear about it. Like, if you're a smoker, bro, not cool.
Overweight, not
cool. How many times do you drink, Noel? Is that so? You enjoy a beer once in a while. You're not happy about it.
Like, and then you tell them my
Do you
father
detox?
has
Do you
this.
detox your liver after drinking? Do you go through a water cleanse? Well, the premium will be higher then. You know? No, I'm not talking about normal amount of water. I'm talking extra water. Do you drink extra water? No, you'll have to.
It's like, again, you're being graded, no?
Yeah, it's a
As
grading.
a human being, you have too many bad habits. Now pay for them.
That's why a lot of actresses who do their own stunts have to pay a high premium of insurance.
Yeah.
Because, bro, your Tom Cruise has to, I don't know, he has to probably work for the insurance company.
Every time he goes on sets, he sells insurance.
उसका ad में उसका clause में ऐसा advertisement लिखा रहेगा.
Mission Impossible. At the end of the recording, it's also like your premium is also left by the way.
No, that's the true Mission Impossible, to get insurance if you're Tom Cruise.
Like, after every mission, the post-credit scene of Marvel movies and all is in. Post-credit scene of Mission Impossible is Tom Cruise getting his insurance claim
Credits में premium का invoice आएगा.
He's standing in the line. phone लगा रहा, hello, please pass हुआ क्या?
देख सेट पे सब तैयार है ब्रो. सब तैयार है, एक्सप्लोजन तैयार है, सब तैयार है. हुआ है कि नहीं पास बता सिर्फ. कैमरा रेडी है. It is, insurance is that you're trying to play the odds, you're trying to be safe, and still they are like, be extra safe. No, you can't. Vices not cool, bro. Not cool.
Yeah.
No, and I think that would be if you have like an offense against you. Say
Offense against you?
NDPS offense, something like that.
Yeah.
Or you're an alcoholic. My God, that's when you're depending on medicine the most. But you're not allowed to.
Yeah.
Because I think they will just look at, oh, you need a new liver. Why? Oh, yes, of course. Why not, ma'am? We will help your son get through this. Of course, yes. Please, some tests will have to run. And how many times do you drink whiskey, son? Our best wishes, ma'am.
It's not just you. They ask your parents का बाकी सब का भी history.
Yeah.
कि like नहीं कुंडली निकालो आप.
Yeah, like the insurance guy is going to the fellow's office and talking to the watchman.
ये सही में बोलो सुट्टा मारते कि नहीं. ना बोला है उसने.
ये कितना बार स्मोक ब्रेक लेता है दिन में? हाँ, फिर अस्थमा का हम लोग नहीं देगा.
नहीं ले सकते.
Because in our books you can walk to the tapri. So your lungs are fine. We are not paying for that.
Another thing that insurance does not have is like if attempt to suicide or something.
Oh,
like
yeah.
That they don't pay.
Because it's again mental health.
हाँ.
ना. It's
So they will
not
just
in
be
the
like, sorry, no.
rules में नहीं है.
हाँ.
ऐसा तुम रूल बदली करेगा थोड़ी चलेगा. रूल में नहीं है.
That slit is not like a card swipe for insurance.
You can't. वो swipe ऐसा नहीं चलता है. And now what would be interesting is the people involved in mental health, the professionals, psychologists and psychiatrists, therapists, all of them, they are barely catching up to where we are as a society in dealing with it. And immediately they are facing the next threat of cyberspace. Because cyberbullying, whatnot, was uncharted territory for therapists.
And
we didn't know.
The scale of problems is also going up. and
Yeah.
they have, and there is some ratio of like every one therapist has to service at least 5,000 people.
It's
Like that is the scarcity of therapists to people who need therapy.
humanity is what Poland was in World War II now. Like they're
Okay.
barely dealing on one front
Yeah, दूसरा भी आ गया.
with the German attack
Yeah.
on the Blitzkrieg on one side. That on the
Russia
other
also.
hand, Russia also is. That is what is happening to mental health
Yeah,
now. Because this is completely uncharted territory, especially with metaverse and how people are going to react to it,
Huh.
and the concept of self-worth being redefined.
100 times like therapists in a week must be just telling all their clients, just unplug.
Like at some point of time, psychologists, psychiatrists, therapists, all of them, anybody dealing with mental health will just hate electricity.
Yeah.
Like, so
I know
much-
we used to use it properly to solve problems. Now it is a problem. Yeah.
Now it's so difficult that I feel like going back to the good old days of electrocution.
Just shocking people. Those were simpler times.
Simpler times. Hopefully, we never go back to the days of lobotomy. although it seems like anybody who lives most of their day virtually online
Is lobotomized.
is lobotomized.
Yeah.
So hopefully that ratio ends up changing.
That's a new Facebook app.
Yeah.
Lobotomy.
Lobotomy me. Like a cutesy nail.
I ends with an I with a heart on top.
Like a cutesy nail. Logo aisa drawn with a smile. I go in your brain. Whee! I stop your hands and legs from moving.
Disconnecting everyone, feeling nothing.
I am your
Lobotomy.
lobby friend. I'll be with you in the lobby.
Shooting all the voices in your head head on. Lobotomy.
That's Steve. And speaking about just processing life, how you get through it. My God, dude. Age, the way you deal with the concept of age changes with age.
Yeah.
As a kid, I had no recollection or memory of me focusing on the idea of how old I am. I only thought about consequences in terms of what will I get when I'm older.
Huh.
But I never thought about age and life from the finite
You always
perspective.
thought there's going to be good birthdays. The birthdays
Oh
will only
my
get better
God.
like as time goes.
And now birthdays are the day which I detest the most in a year.
Because it feels like everyone who's calling you is be like, हाँ अब क्या किया तू?
It's like I'm 33 and this is the phase where I'm feeling stuck. Where people generally feel stuck because it's you've lived life
हाँ.
substantial enough, 3 decades.
Yeah.
But you don't know how many more. You know how much more time is left.
Yeah.
Like the way I'm living, dude, it seems so finite and so funny, so hilarious sometimes because I have like maybe like 2 decades more or three decades more, like three decades. Like 60 is bonus time. Like bonus life. Like I'm entering bonus space. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I never thought of it. When I was like 10 or 12, I seemed like life seemed infinite. Because it seemed bigger. Like there's so much more. Of course I have time.
Because there were so many restrictions, no?
Yeah.
Everybody saying "Wahan mat ja, wahan mat ja, wahan mat ja."
Yeah.
Now the world is open to you. And you're not expecting anything from all those places where you want to go.
Now money is restriction.
Yeah. That is also there.
Money is restriction and time is slowly becoming restrictive.
Yeah.
No,
You
time
just
is-
realize that अरे यार 10 बजे 11 बजे सोने का मन करता है अभी.
Like, I was just thinking about it, bro. Last 2 years have just like disappeared and gone by so like it's like we all entered
A waiting room. ना?
homeostasis,
हाँ.
frozen stage,
वो स्पेस में स्पेस
Cryo-
मूवीज
cryo
वगैरह
sleep.
देखा था हाँ क्रायो
cryo sleep.
हाँ.
As a society, we just cryo sleep.
Please stop. Pause. Everybody stop. We're waiting for things to go.
How now? People had such plans, and as a collective, as a society, we are all discussing it. Now,
Yeah.
whenever I'm taking like to go do a spot,
Yeah.
if I'm taking the metro or something,
Hmm.
I hear people conversing about the last 2 years, like how they have screwed them over.
Hmm.
If I'm in a rickshaw, the rickshaw fellow will suddenly start talking. Like, yeah, what all plans I had. My daughter was supposed to get married, and now this nonsense.
Yeah.
And he's telling
And
me.
now I can't tell the दूल्हा also, अरे कोविड का 2 साल माफ कर दे.
Yeah. And he's telling me like, I can't tell anybody this, I can't, but he's telling me that. And it's so much like, that fellow had nowhere else to.
Because वो भी एक चीज है ना, एवरीबडी अज्यूम्स कोविड से मेरे घर आया है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, बाकी किसी को इतना हिट नहीं हुआ जितना मेरे को हिट हुआ है. That's what everyone's assuming. So like you reached 33 years and in my case 28 years. Like we've reached that point, where now the body is old.
Oh God.
As a product it is old.
I slept awkwardly, okay, recently. I slept awkwardly. Just, and I got up and there was a muscle in between this part and the back part in my body.
You felt that string or what? Like a string
From there,
going
from
your,
a string to all the way up here.
Yeah.
All
pulled. Yeah.
Pulled something, like danced upon, I don't know. I slept awkwardly. And I got up in pain, and my mom was like, "Arey, it's because you slept weird, no?" And I was like, "That's cheating. That is cheating, no? Because what? I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
But I'm supposed to pay attention when I'm asleep also." What sense does that? Then I'm not sleeping, no. Sleeping is what? Full rest. Then I'm paying attention while lying down.
Yes.
Like that is what I'm doing. After a certain age, you have to pay attention while lying down.
Yeah. That's how wisdom starts.
Yeah. You start understanding how your body is breaking down. I do, my spine creaks more now.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Oh, dude, the sound your bones start making.
Oh.
Like you realize you're an orchestra.
You almost feel like taking a tel ka katli and
putting somewhere.
Yeah.
Like I do squats now. I have to wear those compression socks.
Huh?
Because if I do it too quickly, suddenly ting karke kuch hoega and I'm like, okay, gaya, khatam.
I have to get into my animal side now and remind myself to stretch when I get up. Like when I get up, I do like what
Like
I
a
remember
cat,
my dog doing or cat
or
doing.
dog.
Like, do all of that.
It's like initiation.
हाँ.
Like first was like check karo diagnostics सब चल रहा है.
How when you get into a robot or something, you show that, no? In animes.
First you just go up, down. All
Coordination
joints are
is there or
tested,
not. Pacific Rim में कैसा
Yes.
था? Legs are moving, hands are moving. वैसा.
Checklist है.
हाँ, it's a checklist. चल रहा है ना सब टुक. हाँ.
Dude, now it's also another thing, and this I've confirmed with 3-4 other 30-year-olds also.
What?
Like they don't need an alarm anymore. Their
Yeah.
body wakes them up at
Yeah.
8 o'clock, and then they have to just run to the toilet. Just run like crazy to the toilet because there's nothing you can stop.
I don't know about that. That conversation I
dude.
haven't had yet.
Oh, they've had bunch of people have
But
had
coffee is like petrol, putting petrol in a car now for me.
it.
To get up, I need to have coffee. I can't start off. And when I'm doing that, now all of those things that my dad used to do make sense. Like I as a kid never understood, yeah, आदमी उठते बराबर चाय क्या मांगता है रे? उठते बराबर कौन मांगता है चाय? पानी पी, थोड़ा ब्रश वगैरह उठते बराबर ऐसा चाय हुआ है क्या?
क्योंकि खून कम पड़ रहा है अभी.
हाँ.
Like वैसा हो रहा है.
Then taking transistor in the shower. Like my dad used to take that radio transistor आता था Philips का छोटा. He used to take that and put it on a hook and play FM while taking a shower. And now I'm listening to a podcast while taking a shower.
While in the shower. Why? अकेला नहीं रखना चाहिए. It's like if you slip and fall, you can tell them, hey, किसी का help.
I have to listen to podcast of some sort. And trippy podcast. Like I listen to Bobby Lee or I listen to something like that. But that's the thing, dude. Age. I'm now going to pay attention to how it progresses, how it evolves. I'm planning to keep like a small mental journal for myself.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of material which is going to come out of this slow process of dying. lot of stuff is going to come out of this. And that is the trip. It's the slow process of dying. That is what.
Every part of your body as an individual becomes a truck driver that's falling asleep at the wheel.
पैर सुन हुआ है, हाथ सुन हुआ है.
अरे उठ बे. Just
groggy, getting a vote. Let's see. Okay, if this happens, if I survive to see the sixth decade, the virtual world, I'll be able to survive. Chal, I'll put my conscience up on a Nintendo ka cassette. 8-bit
मार के
conscience.
जगा रहे तेरे को.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Take care.
See you in episode 24.
Yeah.